So you want to turn your own image into an anime character using AI? Well, you are at the right place. Simply head over to leonardo.ai so we can begin and tap on the launch app button. And if you don't already have an account, you can simply sign up. And once you have created an account, you can simply head over to this dashboard. Here we will select AI image generation, where we will be generating our AI avatar. And here you will see this new option, image guidance. If you click that, you can select the input image, and there we will select our image, which we will turn into an anime character. Simply open that up. And here you have two options. First is an image to image. We want to make sure we have selected image to image as it is by default as well. And then we have strength. If we have a lower value, then our image will be different from our own image. So since we are looking for a similar style, we want to keep it maximum or close to maximum. Once we have that, we can simply select our model. For the model, we're going to keep Dreamshaper V7 as it is. And although we might consider changing our aspect ratio, make sure to match the dimensions of our original image in the aspect ratio. And you can give it any prompt you would like. I prefer to keep it empty or simply adding some styles. And then I will tap on the generate button here. And now if we go back to the generation history option, we can see our generations. But as you can see, they are exactly similar but in an anime style of our character. And we have gotten 4 different variations which you can scroll through and have a look at. If you were looking for major changes in these images, you can also try reducing the strength to around 0.65. That seems like a nice value. And you can add up to the prompt. Then tap on the generate button again. And this time we can see we have gotten pretty different results and they are looking more in the anime domain. It looks like an anime version of our image which we originally had used. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That's how you turn your image into an anime character really easily. There are some other tools which you can use. If you're not able to understand how Leonardo works, you can also check out our videos regarding that app. Otherwise, we have Midjourney, which is a very nice app for generating images using AI. And it is actually one of the best, even better than Leonardo in some cases. You can definitely check that out as well. Or you can also just stick to Leonardo. You can have a look how great the results are. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.